Hi everybody, a warm welcome to the series of sessions that IMS Gujarat has planned for you, discussing secrets of various entrance examinations. In today's video, we'll understand the secrets of the mother of all the examinations, that is CAT. And in today's context, it is going to be CAT 2021. So let's start. As soon as we talk about CAT 2021, the first question that comes to our mind is how many questions are going to be there? We had 76 questions last year. Will you have little lesser number of questions? If yes, then what would be the directions per section? Well, my suggestion is this is going to be a suspense till the last moment, and you should not let this bother you, because first of all, the deduction, if at all that happens, that is going to be very minor. For example, instead of 26 questions in quant, if you get, let's say, 23 questions, 24 questions, it doesn't change your strategy fundamentally. So why should you let it disturb your temperament, your peace of mind on the day that matters the most? So please do not worry much about the number of questions. Let it be visible on that day and just adjust your strategy if at all it needs any change on that day. Now let us understand strategies of various sections in the same order. First section is verbal ability. Well, depending on the number of questions, you may have 3 to 4 RCs and 6 to 8 questions of verbal ability. Till now, you would have taken enough SimCATs, you would have done enough practice, and you would have identified your order of RCs and VA. Some people start with VA, some start with RCs. There is nothing wrong, nothing right. Especially in last few days that we have till CAT, I won't recommend anybody to change the strategy fundamentally, because the comfort, the peace of mind that you have got with a particular arrangement of RCs and VA, that means a lot to you and that should stick. So stick to that order of RCs and VA, that will help you. Second section of CAT 2021 is going to be LRDI section. Traditionally, this section has been the lowest scoring section as far as equivalent to 99 percentile is concerned. And that's why we must understand the fact that even before you start attempting the first set of the paper, you'll have to decide whether that set is worth attempting or not. So the core strategy of LRDI section is pretty simple. You start with a selection of 2 to 3 sets, best case scenario 4 sets if you are really capable or paper is really easy. So you start with a selection of 2 to 3 sets at the beginning. That will definitely consume 4 to 7 minutes depending on how much time do you take to decide. But then that gives you a comfort that you are dealing with the easiest sets of the paper, right? Last year, approximately 2.5 sets, if done right, that was equivalent to 99 percentile. You should also count on this conversion for this year as well, as long as the paper looks of the similar difficulty level. So at the beginning of the set, beginning of the paper, please target 2 to 3 sets that you should pick them up and start solving them one after another completely. It's extremely important that you finish a particular set that you have started. The third section is quantitative ability. You may have 22 questions, you may have 26 questions. Whatever the number is, the ABC approach of IMS will always work. By ABC, what we mean is A means those questions that you should attempt immediately. B means those questions which you can attempt, but probably you feel that you should not attempt them at the moment when you are reading them. Probably you would attempt those questions at the end of the paper if time permits. And category C is as simple as you don't wish to attempt those questions in the entire paper because there are sufficient numbers of better questions available in the paper that you should deal with. So ABC approach enables you to select the right questions which have the easiest difficulty level with respect to others, and that gives you a great chance of good accuracy and score both. Now, after the strategy, some basic suggestions that we would like you to understand during the paper. First would be, please stay confident during the entire process. The CAT day is a big day for you, everybody knows that. But then ultimately CAT is not a game of knowledge. It is about your ability to convert that knowledge into marks. So if you are not confident enough, if you are not having peace of mind, it will affect your focus and you might not be able to convert the knowledge or skill that you have into raw marks. So it is absolutely important that you stay at peace. At the start of the CAT examination, you should just think about the preparation that you have done, the areas that you have conquered, and forget about the areas that you could not finish. Everybody has imperfections and those imperfections hardly matter during a paper which is as vast as CAT paper. Please understand, 99 percentiles were available at less than 50%. You can definitely put a huge chunk of the paper aside, so it's okay. Just think good about your entire preparation. Second suggestion would be consider this as a collection of 3 papers only, right? Even if you feel that, let's say, LRDI section did not go as per your plan, don't ruin the next section. You might never have any idea that the lesser number of questions that you could attempt in LRDI, because of which you were frustrated, probably all of them were right. Probably the cutoff was low. So treat all the 3 sections as 3 different papers. Emotions generated through attempt of one section should not go to another section. That will hurt you unnecessarily. Third and last advice would be just stick to your strategy. The core strategy is little flexible. The ABC approach of Quant doesn't demand you to attempt X number of questions. The selection approach of LRDI doesn't demand you to attempt exactly this many number of questions. It's a flow which lets you adjust with the difficulty level. So just stick to that strategy and don't do something that you haven't done till now. So there is no need to experiment a lot during a paper which looks conventional, right? So that is all for this video. All the best. Do well.